Hey Declan, well, you made it to the end of your kindergarten year. Definitely not the way I had envisioned the end of the school year, and I don't think you either. But here I am in our classroom all by myself. I really wish you guys were here with me, playing and laughing and doing all the fun activities that we have planned. But since we couldn't be together, I wanted to send you a message and let you know what award I picked for you. For Declan White, I picked the Like No Other Award for being original and true to yourself. I feel like you already recognize some of the gifts that God gave you and are putting them to use. You were always being creative and building things and inviting others to help you create. And I hope as you get older, you take that gift and continue to use it. So I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I really miss the part of the year that we didn't get to be together. But I will see you in the fall as you are walking to first grade,